Hola chicos, buenos días. I'm going to go over what we're going to be doing today. Hoy es jueves 26 de marzo del 2020, and we're still going to be focusing on stem changing verbs, chicos. Now, the first thing you're going to do is watch the YouTube video on stem changing verbs, and you're going to take notes in your libreta. Please be very focus a lot, pay attention on this, be careful on this one because it's a very important topic as well that you need to know for Spanish 1. Here is the video. You can pause it, whatever you need to do. Then I want you guys to then go to Conjuguemos, and I want you to do just 5 minutes of the graded practice. So you're going to go to Conjuguemos, and you're going to do 5 minutes of where it says graded practice. And then once you're done, I need you to take a screenshot of your grade. And then you're going to submit that on the assignments here on Teams. Okay, that will give me what your grade is. Then I want you guys, that would be for today, and then continue studying in that Quizlet. Take a little time. Again, divide those 30 verbs that you have to learn into days, 5 a day. Focus on learning 5 a day. Make sure that you know 5 every single day, and you'll be okay. Memorize them, and that's fine. We have also the Microsoft form to review the mistakes of the Flipgrid. If you have not done so, then please make sure that you complete it. Remember that I also need you to take a screenshot of that score, and I need you guys to submit it here on your assignment section. Okay, so make sure that you do that. That is due today. Sorry, that's due Friday. Then the one from El Verbo Ir is actually due today. That's the one that you started working on Monday. So make sure that you do that one. And then I also, if you haven't done or completed the listening activity on Conjuguemos, then also go ahead and do that one. And remember, this is due Friday. You also need to take a screenshot and submit that screenshot right here on the assignments where it says Conjuguemos listening activity. Okay, so make sure that you do that, chicos. And then I also need you to continue working on your Vista homework, which relates to the stem changing verbs that you watched the first video on the grammar. And Senor Cocoli again made us another really good video explaining the activities on Vista. So if you need anything, they're right there. And finally, continue working on your sway. Chicos, please check on assignments. I've been going through the ones that people have been submitted. Some people, are now doing all of the verbs, and I am checking. There's 30 verbs. You should have 30 slides. And you also have to have audio in there. Audio. Otherwise, I'm going to take a lot of points for it. I want you to try to use Sway. It's very simple to use. It takes very little time. But if Sway is giving you a hard time and it's not working, then you guys can just go ahead and use PowerPoint. You will do the same thing, put a picture, the word in Spanish, and then you're inserting the audio. You have to have audio. And how do you do that? You go to Insert, Audio, and then click on Record Audio. Then you just click the record button, and then that's it. I would write down right here, like if it's almorzar, I will put the name of it as almorzar, and then just press OK. And that's it. It will create it for you. Okay, it didn't do that. Let's try one more time. One more time. Almorzar. There we go. And then you just have it right here. Almorzar. Perfect. So then you can just turn in this on your assignments. You also have to turn it in on the assignments section right here on Teams where it says the verb sway. Okay, so go ahead and write it there, and that would be all. And chicos, tomorrow there will be no extra work tomorrow. This is it for the week. Tomorrow you will be working also on the same things. For Friday, Friday will be a catch-it-all sort of day. But I do want you to kind of continue studying, reviewing, doing whatever you need to. I will be emailing parents and contact parents if I have not received work from you. So please make sure that you're doing that and contact me if you're having any issues. All right, chicos. Nos vemos. Adiós.